welcome back and good morning, folks. It's 6:30 a.m. A cool 60 degrees out starting, and I'm at the historic Cumbie Road settlement area. Now this is a permission search. You see the sun rising right behind me. This gentleman has given me permission to search his property. This property goes back to around 1902. It's the original Cumbie Road settlement in Lakeland. I think we'll have some interesting finds, so hang with me. And as always, I'll see you on that first dig. All right, guys, we're getting our first target directly under this clothesline. Just starting out, and it's ringing up as a 25, 27. Got the headphones on this morning, so you won't be hearing the signals. And there we go this morning, guys. The first find for the morning is a penny under the clothesline. 1962. That's the year I was born. Yeah, I love it. Not too hard. All right, I just found that penny where my coil is. I've got the 6-inch sharpshooter coil. And just as I move on, I'm getting a faint, maybe 17 or 20, 17 right there. Really faint. Let's give it a try and see what we got. I'm not sure what this is, guys. Hoping it's a wheat penny. It's a great signal. It's really weak, so it's a little deeper. Let's see if we got it out. Ooh, we did. This is the part I love, the reveal. Look at that. So we know it's right in there. Oh, there it is. It's a zinking. Golly, it sounds good, but it's just corroded. Hit with a lawnmower. Guys, look at this thing, man. Pop this out of the hole. I thought it was a coin for sure. Look at that, the size of that. Yeah, it looks like I nicked it just a little bit right there. Golly. Yeah, I have no idea on the size of that. I'll have to ask my friend Sonny. Good Lord, that thing is huge.
The 30-06 round was introduced in 1906 to the military and used until 1970. Now, when I dug this thing up, I knew it had some age to it. There's no telling how long it had been buried, but look at the patina on it. You know it has been in the ground a long time. What a cool find.
Ooh, this is a deep hole. Look at that. It's out of the hole. I think it's in here. Right in here. It's in my hand. Let's see what it is. Be something good. Oh, it's another penny hit by a lawnmower. Golly. It's a dime. Huh. Man, that thing was deep. Look at that. Ooh, mason jar lid. Well, that's a good sign. At 28, 29. See what we got right here. It's right in there. Okay, we got it out. I can see it. I can see something right here. Can barely see it. it's a quarter or a token. I don't think it's a quarter. Feels funny. Let's get the brush on it here. Hang on. Let's spray a little water on it. Clean it up a little bit. It's a quarter. Just old. It's been bent. Every coin I've found so far has been whacked with a lawnmower. Yeah, it's a quarter. It's just an old one. Bent. I thought it was a token. It's a quarter. I'll take it. We'll get it cleaned up and get a date on it a little bit later. What is that? It's another zinc penny. It's just deep. Look how it's been eaten away. It's amazing. Looks like a dime. Yep, got another dime. Oh, there we go. Another penny. Pretty as can be. I can see it right there. Right there. Another memorial. Yep, another dime. Rather have dime than pennies. Working on something in this hole. Look at this big old root. There's something right here. Nice and loud. It was 28, 29 on the I feel metal. Just work it slow. I saw it move a little bit. What is it? Oh my God, it's one of these old ones. Golly, that is old. Heck yeah. Man, that is beautiful. Oh, it's got a name on it too. That is just gorgeous, guys. No wonder it was going off loud. Holy smokes. Beautiful.
At 4 inches, this is definitely the largest spray nozzle I've ever found, and I love it that it says made in the USA. This is a drawing of the factory where the nozzles were made at. Late 1800s, and there in 1940, this is an ad selling one of the Boston nozzles.
Just another penny. Man, that thing was deep in the front yard. I thought for sure I had a wheat penny. Nope. No sweetie weedy. In the front yard, I just pulled this key out. Doesn't look real old. Get it cleaned up, take a look at it. Maybe get a date on it. Yale Junior. I know Yale likes it pretty well. Pretty cool, guys. Front yard.
All right, we got something new. This is the very first one. Each week I'm going to try to remember to highlight a metal detecting decal, and Artic Diggers is up first. That's right, the very first one. And folks, I started collecting these. I don't remember who all these decals are from, but they're looking good. I have them on my backdrop in the YouTube studio, so you'll see it when I'm up there talking. So Artic Diggers, looking smooth.
Yeah, I'm not sure what this is, guys. I look at it, put it back down, cover the hole, but it's almost like you see some silver on that edge. Huh. That's in the front yard, working my way up towards the steps. Weird. Could be nothing. Could be an old coin too, or who knows? Golly. I don't know, guys. Figure it out a little bit later. And we got us, wasn't a dime, it was a penny. Oh, God, I just thought I had a wheat penny for sure. Just another memorial. Look at there, get a shotgun round right off the front steps. Looks like we got a big quarter, big quarter. Not the old 1990. Golly.
Well, Scott Bird started to trash or treasure Facebook metal detecting and recovery. Check it out, guys. And he also used one of my decals on an arm cuff. Scott, thanks for sharing, buddy.
Guys, this is just beautiful in here, I'm telling you. This is some old oak trees. This is in the Cumbie settlement area. I have permission to be back here now. But these woods look awesome, so I'm gonna look around these woods for a while. There's gotta be something back here. Oh, this is just gorgeous. Look at these trees. Beautiful. I think I knocked up a penny right here, guys. Looks like I scraped it a little bit. Look at the dirt still on it.
Folks, it's a gimme. If you're out in the woods, you're going to find shell casings. And you're going to find them all over the place. And they ring up really good on the detector. There's another one. You know, what's obvious, these guys were back here doing a little hunting or target practicing.
All right, guys, I just popped this dime out. Look how green that thing is. But it's 1973. All right, got my first head stamp out of here. Victor. We'll look it up and get a date on this.
All right, guys, I'm coming to you. I'm not upset or mad. I just want you to know I do appreciate the little over 400 subscribers that I have. You guys mean a lot to me, and I tell you, I put my heart and soul into these videos, but it's just not growing. You know, in 2 years, I'm just a little over 400. So I need some help if you can, and you've got any friends that are into metal detecting, just call them, send them an email, recommend this channel, and let's see if we can get it to grow by the end of the year. Maybe we can get a few more. I really appreciate it, and thank you.
You don't want to miss this segment, folks. I'm going to bring you stories from the COPTECH Vault. That's right. Stories covering my 32 years as a law enforcement officer. Stand by.
Guys, at one time, I was a young, mean machine on the SWAT team in 1990. Loved getting into all the action back then, and there's the SWAT team, and that's me on the back row with that mustache. Back in the day. Now, I was the grenadier, or the guy in charge of the tear gas. And that was my duties at the time. Well, one day on the shooting range, I dropped my hat. And one of the guys, my brother-in-law at the time, shot my hat. And that made me mad. So as the guy in charge of the tear gas, I shot some tear gas right at him to get back. Well, what I didn't think was it would catch the range on fire. And it was windy. And it burned quick. I caught the whole range on fire, and we had to call the fire department to help put the fire out, guys. I got in a lot of trouble that day, but it was worth it. He shot my hat. That's my story from the COPTECH Vault, and I hope you enjoyed it.